When I create public art, I most often base it on childhood remembrances, the joy of discovery, and colorful dances of a rainbow. Remember the first time someone handed you a kaleidoscope and invited you to look inside? When you peered in, you were amazed by the burst of color and intricate designs. Generations have shared this experience with small tubes of glass and mirrors, and none have ever viewed identical images. Now, as a community, we can experience a life-size kaleidoscope come to life and share those experiences with family. The appeal of a kaleidoscope is that such a low-tech device can create a never-ending array of beautiful, breathtaking connection. The art lasts only a few moments before it's replaced by the next amazing image. Of course, you are always welcome to take a selfie or groupie along our kaleidoscope sound hallway. Here are the components that make up the kaleidoscope sound hallway. Here we have a family looking at the beautiful array of colors, the mosaics, and the kids are thinking about playing those hand drums. As you move down the hallway, you noticed 4 feet beautiful circular mosaics that are installed with bright stained glass. These are all wonderfully grouted so little hands can go over them. The other great thing is 5 of them have heavy-duty Lazy Susan mechanisms so you can spin them, much like what you saw as a child through an actual kaleidoscope. These beautiful vibe drums are something that adds to the whole ambiance of the color palette. Not only do they look good, they sound fabulous. And kids, adults can be side by side creating different tunes and having a wonderful time just using the side of their fingers. Sound activation of this corridor can help people find the beautiful mosaics, the wonderful mural down the wall, and what a fun place to meet up with friends. Just imagine a whole hallway of drums, a music class coming to visit and learning how to make a beautiful sound together. Here is the scale drawing of this installation. One thing I want to emphasize is you'll really never see it in this form. You'll never be able to get back far enough to see it. It's more like the experience walking down the corridor. Here's one more final look at the kaleidoscope sound hallway. Let's have fun together creating this kaleidoscope sound hallway.